When manifestation is taking a long time, you are just not ready for it yet. Hi, this is Primoz Lazar here, and that's my success principle for today. Sometimes happens that life is going very slow and the expected outcome just doesn't manifest. But you need to understand that the universe is strengthening you up and you are not ready yet to achieve that goal, to manifest your desires. So what is required from you at that time is to take your own pace and fulfill in the tasks that will make you even better, that will bring you to that end point, and you will be able to accept the manifestation. So balance your life, keep doing the great work, and at the end will be the greatest outcome waiting for you. So you need to practice patience. Don't become angry, don't blame anybody, don't blame people around you that are doing slow tasks for you. You just keep going forward and do something else meanwhile until that manifestation manifests itself and it comes to the reality. Okay? Go nicely and enjoy your days. That was Primoz and my success principle for today.